draw a turtle, we'll first draw a circle. You can use compass or whichever way you like to draw a circle. After this, we'll add the head, which is also a circle, and we'll add the arms. This will be a bit tiny, and the legs, it's nothing but U shape English alphabet. After this, we'll add tail. Tail is simple, just a triangle. Once we finish this, we now look at how to draw the shell. So in the center, draw a square and draw a triangle above and below square. So this will form the hexagon or six-sided polygon. Erase the unnecessary lines. Then using marker, I just re-outline a trace. After you finish tracing, allow it to dry and erase it. Once you finish erasing it, from the vertex, extend the line towards the circle. So all I am doing is connecting this hexagon with the circle, which will form the shell. And with that complete, we will add eye. So two small circles, just same length. Then we'll color the inside. Once you have finished this, use green color for the shell. So I have finished applying the green color. Now we'll proceed with applying yellow color to the turtle. And with this, we finish coloring, and this is how to draw a turtle.